I'm wondering if you need help with your proposal. And I want to talk about these workshops in particular. So in the workshops, you will get one-on-one writing help anchored in your work. So this writing help is from professionals who have gone through the dissertation or doctoral study process, just like you are now. They've come through on the other side. And a signature feature is that this one-on-one writing feedback is provided on your individual proposal drafts. So we're not having you do writing other than the discussion posts outside of your proposal drafts. There are 6 workshops. The first is focused on the pre-proposal or prospectus or premise. There's a workshop for the proposal in general, those 3 chapters or sections, the introduction, literature review, and methods section. And then you'll see there is a workshop for each of those 3 sections as well to focus only on the introduction, only on the literature review, only on the methods section. And then finally, when you're happily at the post-proposal stage, we have a workshop for that where you work on your results, discussion, and recommendations part of your study. The proposal workshop covers content from any section within the proposal, the introduction, the literature review, the methods section. And you might choose this kind of for a general introduction to the doctoral writing workshops, or if you have content across those sections or chapters that you would like writing help with, that might be why you would take the general proposal writing workshops. And then the others focus on a specific section or chapter. So each workshop is 6 weeks long and follows the same weekly cadence with the exception of the pre-proposal, but I'll cover all this in just a moment. So in a recent study conducted by Walden's Office of Institutional Research and Assessment, proposal approval rates were higher for students who enrolled in these workshops. They just over 70% compared to those who did not, at about 27%. So the most important prerequisite is a desire to improve your draft. And then because the writing workshops are based on your own drafts, each week in weeks 2 through 5, for the most part, you'll be submitting excerpts of your draft. We require that you have at least a working draft of the section for which workshop you're signing up for. And as part of that registration, you'll need to submit a 2 to 3 page excerpt of your draft. And I'll talk more about how to register coming up. So I just want to raise a couple of points before I go on. That what we provide is writing assistance in the workshops. So your writing workshop will have students likely from many different programs. And as a writing instructor, we're not the content experts in your field. We're definitely interested in what you're writing about, and we may have some knowledge of your area, but your chair and your committee are your content experts for your doctoral study or dissertation. What we provide as writing instructors is help on your writing related issues, such as are you writing with clarity? How can you write with more precision? What is your scholarly voice like? How can we help you articulate your ideas in a scholarly, concise, compelling way? So that's why it's important you work with your chair and committee in tandem with your writing faculty during the workshop. So as a team, we can really help you advance your work, but just want to be clear that we won't be providing feedback on, like, is your literature review robust enough? That's more of a content-related question that your chair and committee can weigh in on, or if your research method that you're choosing is the best for your study. That's not something that we as writing instructors will provide, but we'll certainly provide feedback on whether you articulate the justification for your research method. Is that concise? Is that clear? So I hope that distinction is clear. So you will advance your proposal depending on, or the section that you're working on. However, just depending on how far along you are in that section, you may not finish that within the 6-week workshop. So the 6 weeks aren't a guarantee that you will, start and finish your your section. If you're incredibly motivated and you have very responsive chairs and committees, maybe you'll get close. But that's not the intent. So we just want to highlight for you what your writing related issues are, how to overcome them, how to spot them, and eventually you're going to learn how to avoid them altogether. So that's the aim of these workshops. The way you register is to contact your academic advisor, and the cost is normally $195 per workshop.
I really want to thank Dr. Hudson for presenting this information about the workshops, the doctoral writing workshops. That is great information. I'm so happy everyone was able to attend. And I want to thank Emily Dawn for being here to answer all those questions in the chat. We're glad to have both of you here to help out with these students and answering their questions. I really appreciate that. I know this is really good information for